Let's say I had a massive list of numbers. I wanted to find out how many numbers were over, say, a certain number. I could use a formula called equals COUNTIF. I could go equals COUNTIF, the range of cells, which in this case is B1 colon B10. Now the criteria. If we want to use greater than or less than, we have to put them in speech arcs. We want to say, let's find all the numbers that are greater than 50, all the sales data. 4. Now let's just check. That one's less, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So that's called the COUNTIF. Let's say we want to find if a number is greater than a certain number and then say a certain number. So let's just insert another column here, or row, I mean. We use the if statement. So center this. Let's say we want to find out if the number is greater than 42, then say something like yes it is. So we go equals if B2 is greater than or equal to 50, comma, if we didn't want to say anything, we could leave it blank by putting 2 double quotes in, hit enter. Now because it's not greater than 50, it doesn't say anything. Now if we fill this formula down and give it enough room so we can see everything, it shows you the cells that are greater than 50. Now that's fine and dandy too. But if we want to actually do a calculation, we could do that. We could do anything. We could go equals if B2 is greater than 50, then let's add up all the numbers between B9 and B11. Okay. Otherwise, do nothing. Now I'm just going to have this text in here. Close the bracket. Now if I fill this down, it's going to say do nothing for anything that's less than 50, or it's going to add up all the numbers between B11 and B13. But because I've filled this down as a relative reference, it's going to change, see, B12 to 14. So if I again wanted to lock those onto 11 and 13, I'd have to put dollar signs before the 11, before the 13, before filling this down. You'll see the 100 in the place where it was over 50. Okay, so that's the if and the COUNTIF, and those are very powerful formulas.